Welcome to our YouTube channel where we unveil the beauty and versatility of wooden wall designs that can transform any space into a warm and inviting haven. In this video, we present an enchanting compilation of the best wooden wall designs that will inspire you to create a captivating ambience in your home or office. Wooden walls have long been admired for their timeless elegance and natural charm. They add warmth, texture, and character to any room, making it feel cozy and welcoming. Whether you prefer a rustic, farmhouse inspired look or a sleek and modern aesthetic, wooden walls offer a wide range of design possibilities to suit your style. In this video, we showcase a diverse collection of wooden wall designs that exemplify craftsmanship, creativity, and innovation. From intricately carved panels to reclaimed wooden installations, each design tells a unique story and brings a distinct personality to the space. Our expert team has curated a selection of wooden wall designs that cater to various preferences and interior styles. Discover the beauty of vertical or horizontal wood paneling, accent walls with geometric patterns, striking wood mosaic designs, and even sculpture wooden installations that create a mesmerizing focal point. We'll take you a visual journey, exploring different wood species, finishes, and techniques used to achieve stunning effects. You will witness the interplay of light and shadow, the warmth of natural tones, and the captivating textures that make wooden walls an exquisite choice for any room. Join us as we delve into the details of these remarkable wooden wall designs, discussing their inspirations, installations, techniques, and tips for incorporating them seamlessly into your interior design projects. We'll also provide insights on how to care for and maintain wooden walls to ensure their longevity and beauty. Wall designs play a significant role in enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal and ambience of any space. Here are some key reasons why all designs are important. Number one is visual impact. Wall designs have a powerful visual impact on a room. They serve as a focal point and can instantly transform a plain and ordinary space into a captivating and visual appealing environment. Wall designed walls can create a sense of depth, dimension, and texture, adding visual interest and elevating the overall aesthetics of the room. And number two is personal expression. Wall designs offer an opportunity for personal expression and creativity. They allow individuals to showcase their unique style, personality, and taste through the choice of colors, patterns, textures, and materials. Whether it's through bold and vibrant designs or subtle and sophisticated choices, wall designs provide a canvas for self expression and individuality. Number three is setting the tone. The design of walls can set the tone and atmosphere of a room. Different wall designs evoke different emotions and moods. For example, warm and earthy tones with natural textures create a cozy and welcoming ambience, while sleek and minimalist designs convey a sense of modernity and sophistication. Wall designs can be used to establish the desired ambiance and create the intended mood in space. Number 4 is space definition. Walls can be utilized to define and divide spaces within a larger area. By using different wall designs such as Asian walls or partitions, one can visually separate various functional zones in an open concept layout. This helps in organizing the space, improving its functionality, and providing a sense of structure and privacy. Number 5 is visual continuity and flow. Wall designs contribute to the overall visual continuity and flow of a space. Coordinate wall treatments such as consistent colors, patterns, or materials create a cohesive and harmonious environment. Number 5 is reflecting the themes or style. Wall designs can align with the theme or style of a space, whether it's a traditional, contemporary, industrial, or eclectic. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to design your walls according to new designs, new ideas. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you again in next video. Thank you.